Ever wonder who builds the world around us? From massive skyscrapers to race cars and roller coasters, it all starts with welding. And at Berks Career and Technology Center, you can learn to do it all. In the Welding Technology program, you'll get hands-on experience with real equipment, just like the pros use, learning MIG, TIG, stick, arc, and more. You won't just weld, you'll read blueprints, plan projects, and turn raw metal into real things you can be proud of. By the time you finish, you'll have the chance to earn industry-recognized certifications from the American Welding Society, OSHA, and more, setting you up for jobs in construction, aerospace, automotive, and beyond. And if you're thinking about college later, this program gives you a strong head start in engineering or materials science. If you like working with your hands, solving problems, and seeing sparks fly, Welding Technology at BCTC might just be your perfect fit.